parents, I wanted to give you a very, very quick video about what is happening in math class. This is coming home today from Mrs. Mantone and I. It gives you a little bit of introduction about what is in chapter 2 with three-digit addition, and this is their math packet for this week. I attached this website in the email that I'm sending. It's super helpful and it goes through every single chapter. You're obviously going to be looking at chapter 2, and there was one in particular I found pretty helpful. Was not that one. Let's see. It was, what is mental math and why is it important? And this is what it looks like. It gives you an idea of how we are teaching addition and the different strategies, because we're honestly focusing in on the different strategies they're learning instead of just giving an answer. So I have a feeling that a lot of you talked about this during back to school night about getting potential pushback from explaining it a certain way. This is where it starts to happen. So if you notice on this page right here, it gives you some examples of how we will be teaching it in class. So you're breaking down the tens, adding those together, breaking down the ones and adding those together. And when we start with the three-digit numbers, the same thing will be happening. So one of the strategies will be adding all of the hundreds, adding the tens, adding the ones, and then combining them together. So I would really highly encourage you to take a look at all of these pages if you have not done so. And the examples give you some guidance as to how to help them at home. Again, if they're giving you a hard time or they're not wanting to do certain pages, just look it over and then have them encourage them to come to me so I can help them with it. But there's other examples here of using number lines as well. This is due Friday. Again, this is their second homework packet. But look over these two things, the letter and then this website, and that should help you out. Second thing is we read Where the Wild Things Are today for our current reading objectives of inferencing and visualizing, and it was very helpful and interesting, and they love it. So if you have a copy of that, which I'm sure most of you do, um, give it a read with them and enjoy it. Wonderful book. I hope you enjoyed the weather this weekend. It is beautiful today again, so maybe you should just ditch the math packet and keep it till tomorrow and send them out into the backyard. Okay, thank you for your help.